Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open the TradingView heat map. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your TradingView account and look at the top menu bar. Here, click on Products. From the drop-down menu, select Screeners. This section gives you tools to filter and analyze different financial instruments. Once inside the Screeners page, locate the option labeled Heatmap. Under this, select Stocks. This will open the Stock Heatmap view. The heat map displays a grid of stocks, where each block represents a company. The color and size of each block show performance, green for gains, red for losses, and size reflecting market capitalization. This layout helps you instantly see which sectors are strong and which are lagging. You can also customize the heat map by adjusting filters. For example, focus on specific sectors like technology or healthcare, or set time frames such as daily or monthly views. This flexibility makes it easier to track trends based on your trading strategy. So that's basically how you can open the TradingView heat map. That's it for this video. Thanks.